welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning, you're welcome as well. So remember to subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. And on today's recipe share, we're going to be making potato stew. And first things first, you're going to peel potatoes and cut them into large chunks like you can see me doing in the video. You're going to properly rinse that and then transfer into a clean pot. Then you go in with some salt. Don't worry about the detailed measurements. I'm going to write them in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Then while we're allowing the potatoes to cook, then we're going to go in and blend our tomato, pepper, onions, all of that. And once that is blended, you're going to transfer into a clean container while we wait for it to be used. Then we check on our potatoes, and then we can see that it's already ready, because you can see how easy it was to just insert the fork inside. Then you transfer it into a colander, and then you're going to set that aside. Then in a clean pan or pot, you're going to transfer some vegetable oil and then turn all of the puree that you blended, and you're going to give that a good mix. You're going to stir that carefully to combine, and you're going to allow that to saute or to fry. Next up, you're going to pound some ginger and garlic, or you can decide to blend it together with the tomatoes and all of that, but I prefer to do it separately. Then you're going to add that into your stew base. You're going to allow that to saute, and while that is getting fried, you're going to go to the next ingredients. So I have some spring onions, some onions, some seasoning cubes, curry, thyme, your boiled potatoes, and then green pepper. So now your stew base is ready. You can see that there's no water, and then you're going to add your seasoning and spices. You're going to give that a good mix to combine. Then you're going to go in with the green bell peppers, and you're going to allow that to just fry a bit. You're going to add your onions, and then you're going to stir that as well to combine. I mean, the aroma that would be coming from your kitchen at this point is just amazing. So you're going to stir that to combine, and then you're going to go in with the potatoes that you boiled. Remember that we already cooked it, so basically what we're doing now is allowing all of the spices and the seasoning to incorporate into the potatoes as well, so that everything can come together. And then lastly, we're going to add our spring onions. Now you're going to cover that up and allow to cook on low heat, because you don't want it to get burnt. The idea is to use low heat to allow everything to just go in. If you have some broth left, or chicken stock, or whatever meat stock you have, you can add it as well. But if you don't have it, you can leave that out of the process. Then you're going to go in with the spring onions, like I said. Then you're going to cover it up and allow it to steam or slow cook for a few minutes, and then you're going to carefully mix it to combine. So you can taste your potato stew, and if you want to add some salt, you can go ahead and do that. And guys, this delicious stew is absolutely divine and a must try. You can pair this with white rice, you can pair this with spaghetti, you can even eat it as it is. And I really hope you try it out and let me know if you enjoy it. And like I said, please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next post. Thanks for watching. Bye.